Hello everyone! Let's learn how to pronounce beginner-level words, their meanings with example sentences, and sound like a native today. Please repeat the words after me and make your sentences. Become a member to get access to the complete list of 5,000 plus words. The first word in the list is an. It means use before words that begin with a vowel sound. Example, this is an apple. It is a one-syllable word. Say after me, an. The next word in the list is about. It means related to or connected with something. Example, this book is about animals. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me, about. The next word in the list is above. It means in a higher place than something. Example, the lamp is above the table. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me, above. The next word in the list is across. It means from one side to the other side. Example, he walked across the street. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me, across. The next word in the list is action. It means the process of doing something. Example, the movie was full of action. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the first syllable. Say after me, action. The next word in the list is activity. It means something that people do for enjoyment or work. Example, reading is my favorite activity. It is a four-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me, activity. The next word in the list is actor. It means a person who performs in plays, movies, or television. Example, Tom Hanks is a famous actor. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the first syllable. Say after me, actor. The next word in the list is actress. It means a woman who performs in plays, movies, or television. Example, Emma Watson is an actress. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the first syllable. Say after me, actress. The next word in the list is add. It means to put something together with something else. Example, please add some sugar to my tea. It is a one-syllable word. Say after me, add. The next word in the list is address. It means the details of where someone lives or where something is located. Example, my address is 25 Main Street. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me, address. The next word in the list is adult. It means a fully grown person or animal. Example, she is now an adult. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me, adult. The next word in the list is afraid. It means feeling fear or worried about something. Example, she is afraid of the dark. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me, afraid. The next word in the list is after. It means later than a certain time following something. Example, we will eat after class. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the first syllable. Say after me, after. The next word in the list is afternoon. It means the time between 12 o'clock and evening. Example, let's meet in the afternoon. It is a three-syllable word. The stress is on the last syllable. Say after me, afternoon. The next word in the list is again. It means once more, another time. Example. Please say it again. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me. Again. The next word in the list is against. It means in opposition to something. Example, they are against the idea. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me. Against. The next word in the list is age. It means how old someone is. Example, what is your age? It is a one-syllable word. Say after me. Age. The next word in the list is ago. It means used to show how much time has passed. Example, I met him 2 years ago. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me. Ago. The next word in the list is agree. It means to have the same opinion. Example, I agree with you. It is a two-syllable word. The stress is on the second syllable. Say after me. Agree. The next word in the list is air. It means the invisible gas we breathe. Example, I need some fresh air. It is a one-syllable word. Say after me. Air. That's all for now. Please leave your feedback for this lesson. See you later with another lesson.